Hello everyone, I want to show you how to use HDRP asset, create a new project using Unity LTS. Here is an example, default HDRP imported into your project. This will take a bit time to import. HDRP default sample project imports faster than when you import Lighting Box, import HDRP from package manager. Compiling shader needs a powerful GPU. If you have a low-end GPU, your import time will be too low. HDRP use heavily your GPU power. Always use a high-end GPU to compiling and opening, exporting your project fast. Because this is a template, the import time is fast. Here is your HDRP default configuration. You can upgrade project materials. Selected. This option is available here. Render pipeline. You can see render pipeline features. Okay, here you can install HDRP manually. Use Unity registry, high definition, update here. Always when you open the HDRP, import the partial sky. This is very useful also. You must, from project setting, quality HDRP, enable screen space reflection effect. Here is the settings of the HDRP. Here is your HDRP asset. You can customize the settings. Okay. When you create a new scene, you have a skyfog volume. The volume is list of the HDRP effects, post-processing, effects settings. You can create manually, add volume component, use global to affect the whole scene, whole camera. Create a new profile, create it in your scene name folder. You can rename it. Here you can add HDRP settings. The most important is visual improvement. For the start, you can select your sky type, HDRI sky, Persigal sky, and after that the exposure is very important. You can use automatic exposure. From here, always light settings, direct your profile here and choose your sky type. Sky type, sky HDRI. Always add your sky here. For example, where you use perceptual sky, add from here perceptual sky to override the settings. Now here you can switch your skybox for light mapping. I want to use HDRI sky. Okay, as you can see, we have correct lighting of the scene. Always import this one, switch your skybox, and from here customize your cube map default one. Now you must add post-processing. The most important post-processing is tone mapping. Always use ACS for next-gen games. Okay. Now, after that, the important part is color adjustment. Increase a bit contrast, control exposure. After that, vignette is very important effect. After that, you must add shadow motion gamma. Gamma is important. Solid tanning. Bloom is another important effect. It's hard to combine HDRP effects. You can use HDRP Lighting Box to make the workflow very easy and fast. Okay, other effects is not too much important for a good lighting scene. As you can see, everything looks good. Lighting. This is useful for baked scene. Screen space reflection is for SR. Fog. It's too hard to implement the fog settings. I can do it quickly for now. I always use my own lighting box to implement the fog. Fog setup is too hard. Setting up the fog is too hard. Currently I can't do this for now. Here is the shadows. Shadowing. This is the HD shadows. Settings. Okay. Okay, this is the default settings for HDRP. You can use HDRP Lighting Box to make your workflow too fast, all in one solution to combine every effect fastly, professional settings. Delete the volume, open the lighting box. This will make your workflow too fast. From lighting window, direct the lighting box created volume. Now lighting box will help you to quickly adjust your scene lighting. The quality is amazing. Easily customize everything. Quickly access all settings. Switch between GI. Quickly change your lighting types. Always add a reflection probe for your scene. Real time. I can control indirect light intensity. Okay. Can switch anti-aliasing. Can easily activate screen space reflection to your scene. You can easily use bloom effect. Easily add volumetric effect. Increase volumetrics. Here use volumetric. As you can see, we have easily added volumetric lighting. Use white color by default and customize your light color from here. Increase multiplier. From here, update fog settings. As you can see, lighting box make your workflow faster. You have a complete volume component with complete effects. I hope this be useful for you.